okay? Okay. We'll do one thing. Try this on the weekend. Try this on the weekend. Different VLANs should not access each other. We are using router on a stick. So we are providing the inter-VLAN routing here. We are providing the communication between them. If you want, they should not communicate, you can just shut down the gateway. That's it. What we will do, the first task you are having is, yes, if shut down, they cannot go to internet. If shut down, they cannot go to internet. Mr. Wong, I will just clear this for you. Let's see. I am transferring a data from here to here. Okay. What is the tag? The data is going from VLAN 10, and here we want to go the data to VLAN 12. So when the data will come up here, this switch will not identify the VLAN 10 for which the data has been sent, from where the data has been sent. So to understand the data of VLAN 10, the VLAN 10 should be created here. Else it will not be receiving the data from any other VLAN which is not created here. How are we going to show you the screenshot? That's how we are going to show the screenshot. Task 5, set name on the switch. So you have to show how the name has been set on all the switches. Okay. Task 6, set password on the catalyst switch. You need to show how you have configured the password on all the switches. Task 7, how did you assign the IP address in the switch? So you have shown that the interface VLAN 1, what is the IP address you have assigned? Okay. And task 8, set interface description and set 4 different VLAN for sales and marketing and R&D. And this is how you have created the VLAN. Okay. And task 9, save running configuration. And you run the configuration, and milestone 2 done. No, this is coming from top. The task is not getting changed. Like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tasks in first milestone. So milestone 2 task will be starting from 5 here. Okay, it won't start from 1 again. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 tasks. 5 tasks we have here. We can build it only in the packet tracer. Alex, the tasks are mentioned here. What is the task you need to do? They are mentioned here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In the project brief, when you will download, the tasks are mentioned there. the report again. Task 5, set name on switch. So switch 1, switch 2, switch 3. So do you think the thing we need to mention in the report is more easy than the packet tracer one? Okay. So you know the tasks are easy, and I'm giving this configuration to you guys for the weekend. Try to build it. Okay, try to build it. Give your efforts. The project is totally in my hand. Okay. And now this is a kind of a test I'm having for you. That will you be able to build it or not? If not, I have a failover. I have a redundancy. So don't ever worry about the things, okay? That you will not be able to do this. There are a lot of things we have configured. Do not worry about it. Okay? So I have a failover. If not, but how to save the configuration even able to retrieve after the tracer end? Just write down, save the configuration in the PCs and the switches and the routers and save it here. You can have 3 saved. Yes, the Excel I will be posting in the group. The topology also I will paste it in the group. Take your time, try to build up. It will show you your caliber, that you are able to do that or not. I will be showing up one thing. Okay, I will write down one thing, what need to be configured. Here, sub interfaces and IP address to sub interface. On the switch, we need to assign IP address first to VLAN 1, default gateway, then create VLANs, configure Ether channel. These are the things need to be configured on all 3 switches. Do you think we have configured anything else apart from this? Only these things we have configured. Although there are more devices, that's why it might have taken the time. But I don't think so that we have used anything else apart from this. Try to build this weekend. And right now, we are having around 1 hour. So I will request you guys to complete your milestone 1. So we do not have to talk about milestone 1 Monday onwards. Okay? Please complete the milestone 1 as of now in this 1 hour. So we will not be talking about the milestone 1 further on. Okay, so you can go कॉन्फिगरेशन आहे.